everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we are reading Bad Kitty Does Not Like Snow. So let's go ahead and get started. It is snowing. Kitty has never seen snow. Kitty does not know what snow is. So Kitty asked the computer, "What is snow?" The computer tells Kitty the snow is cold, the snow is wet, the snow is slippery, the snow is soft. Now Kitty is ready for the snow. The snow is cold. The snow is wet. The snow is slippery. And the snow is soft. Uh-oh, where's Kitty? Where do you guys think Kitty is? Meow! No, Kitty was under the snow. Meow, 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 meow. The computer is wrong. The snow is very soft. The snow is very slippery. The snow is very wet. And the snow is very, very cold. Kitty does not like computers. Kitty does not like snow. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed reading that story with me. Now it's time for you to help me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get really small. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Zoop. And the first thing is, whenever you guys see Kitty, I want you to say Kitty. Whenever you guys see a snowflake, I want you to say snow. Whenever you see a picture of a computer, I want you to say computer. And then we also have a little sight word here, which is. So let's go ahead and say it together. So we're going to say it, and kind of go up, it. And then we have S. The S makes a tss sound, kind of like a snake, like tss, like that. So I want you to say it. Now we're gonna make it long, each word, like eh, tss. And now fast, is. Very good. So this word is. Say it with me, is. Good job. Again, is. Very good. One more time, is. Very good. Great job. Okay, now you're ready to read. So let's go ahead and read together. It is snowing. Kitty has never seen snow. Great job. Very good. Kitty does not know what snow, very good, is. So Kitty asked the computer. The computer tells Kitty snow is cold. Snow is wet. Snow is slippery. Snow is soft. Good job. Very good. High five. You did amazing. Thanks so much for helping me read. Okay, now we're going to have a little bit of questions. Just 2 questions. The question is snow, oh wait, give me just a little bit on top right here. It's saying, Is snow hot? Yes or no? Is it hot? No, it's not hot. So in these lines right here, I want you to write N and O. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. It's asking you, is snow cold? Is it cold? Is snow cold? Is it cold? Yes, snow is cold. Great job. So here in the lines, you're gonna write yes. Very good. Okay, thank you so much for reading with me. You did amazing. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.